Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an oven baked tilapia fish. This fish is super easy and yummy. So here is what you're going to need. Alright, so you're going to need 2 to 4 tilapia fillets, Himalayan sea salt, and fresh ground pepper, a half teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of olive oil for coating your pan, 1 tablespoon of fresh dill, or you can use a half teaspoon of dry dill, 3 tablespoons of butter, any type of milk substitute, and you'll need a half cup, fresh lemons, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and a half cup of cornmeal. All of these ingredients will be listed below, so make sure you check that out. In a pan, you're going to go ahead and add your breadcrumbs and your cornmeal, your paprika, and your fresh dill, along with your freshly ground pepper and Himalayan sea salt, and I just eyeball this. After giving your cornmeal breadcrumb mixture a good stir, in another pan, go ahead and pour in your milk. Now in my actual baking dish that I'm going to use in the oven, I'm going to take the olive oil mixture and coat the pan so the fish doesn't stick to it. You can use cooking spray, but this particular day I ran out of cooking spray, so I'm just using the olive oil to coat the pan. Now, with the breadcrumb and cornmeal mixture and the milk mixture, you're going to go ahead and dip each tilapia fillet into the milk first and then into the corn mixture next. You want to make sure it's nice and coated. I repeat this process with each of the fillets and place it inside the baking dish until all of the fillets are complete. At some point as well, you want to make sure you preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Now take the sliced butter and place it over the fish. You'll then put it in the oven and bake it at 450 degrees for about 11 minutes or until the fish flakes. I do like to cover my baking dish with aluminum foil, and I take it off for the last few minutes to get it a little crispy on top. And here you are. Wonderful, delicious baked tilapia. This fish is very tasty, and I do squeeze fresh lemon over it. This is completely optional. I just think it gives it a nice little taste right there. Make sure you get the seeds out, and I serve this with a nice hearty green vegetable, or maybe a baked potato, or a dinner salad, or all of the above. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys real soon.